Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Pack it them by the book, you know, mama. The girl right here, she a big.
Auntie.
Yeah, yeah, me know my phone, Larry.
Me need help, me have 4 picnic and 10 people I get help and don't want it. Me I look help. Me need help.
You know, me not laugh with you.
Me need help. Me I work too hard. Them people I beg and I get, and me not beg, and me's a single mother. Not by choice, but God willingly. We need to stop help a blood clot ungrateful people. Cause if I never stoop to Tuffy blood clot level, she couldn't this year.
No, she not this one. Because she try this. She can't this one.
She can't this year family member cause Tuffy want beard. You ever see Tuffy? Tuffy look like blood clot Madia when Madia no change her dress for 2 movie. Make Tuffy move her stay about blood clot. Tuffy look like one man.
She get the
Her husband look like dump. She should have glad to somebody take her picnic and I get her picnic a blood clot education cause Tuffy dunce like Tuffy come like 2 blind bat. Tell her girl say don't worry about her stay about blood clot. Tuffy look like she live in our full cup. She should thank God say we say good in her picnic and I try this something for her picnic. Look for me where I work like blood clot donkey. My baby father dead left 2 blood clot picnic and me add up 2 more because I know my brother and sister in a children's aid. I'm gonna say help her. I don't mind somebody buy me a winter jacket or a blood clot pair of shoes. She said, Mama, ease the easer for your head, not ease the easer for your pocket. And she get book and lunch money and she complain. I want to tell Tuffy go suck her mother. And that more want to do. Hey, help! Help! My blood clot. Who me can go beg help to? Uncle Ava, come here. I want help. You come to Canada. Bring me 2 winter jacket there. 2 size 16 and 2 boys my have. Uncle have her because I'm most blood clot that you ungrateful like. Anything else?
Mama, she get the book. Alright. My cousin said to her, said, when the job of the book, the teacher asked her, oh, the principal, and not teacher. The principal asked her, she know about the about the one the book. She said she was asking for the book on live. Me gonna drop the she reaching at the girl DM. Cause she and the girl are talking at the DM. Cause when the girl said, alright, me buy the book, she go want here buy the book, so she reaching at the girl DM. So the girl start asking her where the book name. She never know where the book name. She never know what the name of the book. So nothing more than when she go to school today now, she go see the book. So how about probably little boy never need the book?
You know, Mr. Tuffy cannot reach, would not know where the
because little boy, because even if she said the teacher principal asked her, where you know you need the book. Analyze she tell me that. She see for IG. So she must give a book. Analyze that. It was on IG.
Auntie, you know, first time me meet Tuffy, me there are sick kids, big hospital with my half-dead picnic.
So many blessings. We don't have to get no blood clot proof from no blood clot principal. The book is there, and the lunch money pay for the fucking month. We don't have to get nothing from the principal.
Auntie, first of all, if I love a
from the blood clot principal.
Alright, first of all, if I love a plate, me know it pay.
Listen, the biggest thing and the fact of the matter, the book is there. The book is physically there. Since it was about a child, we wouldn't be having this problem.
Auntie, me eat my popcorn and Belgian. What I know?
Sandra, she get catch, that's all. Because the whole of we over that side, I don't plan. Any money we get is for the child. She never don't get that on her hand. So we don't wait for this. So we get
Auntie, but you know about Tuffy husband send her out to come beg, and when she don't beg, she get beat up.
You don't see me the lunch program. You don't see me the lunch program. What do you want me to drop the book, though? The book is there.
If Tuffy could have reached that, sister, people are doing something good for her picnic.
No, she don't say the book not there, no. She don't tell us. She don't say the book not there, no. The book is there.
Auntie, why you kid look about the bring home the book Tuffy dance? Why you beat up your gum for me and look help? They have not another million cow.
Here's a love one, The little boy needs was met. The book there, lunch favor for the month. The same girl, when we used to run up and down, to go get the info. The same one, they get the book. And she, you come for live and style about big pussy girl. Eh? The girl take time
Tough enough to call nobody pussy
out our
baby.
work schedule. To go deal with that. To make sure say you
Tough
good.
enough to call
And you
nobody
get up
pussy
and
baby.
press like about big pussy girl and suck mother. They will have a pull back lunch, man.
Tough enough to call nobody pussy big.
Mama, the
When
same
Tough call somebody
girl.
pussy big, you have to spell it.
Mama, and the same person who send her Almontown primary school go deal with the principal. It's the same girl. It's not the first the principal has seen her. And the second and the third time. It's the same person.
Auntie, I believe so
It's the
from Tuffy
same
register a
person,
little boy there in
mama.
school.
And
She
she
never
said,
meet by the
and
principal.
she go over the school, go deal with this, go deal with that. It's the same person. It was a, so all you think you would have feel if you know say you never know somebody from a canopy and you just get a phone call and say, all right, go deal with them two little something for me real quick so we can deal with that kid. Yeah. The person never itch, them jump round, them do it, then the person say, all right, and the kid we are dealing with, you look, you say one book, the person takes up out of them paycheck now, buy the book and drop it off. And then you
You know what the
after
person would do? Go back for them book and drop it back off at the bookstore and take back their money and make Tuffy go suck her mother.
and then now the girl forgot
Sure.
wake up this morning now and see up her life now. I tell her I go suck her mama and a big pussy girl. Oh, who did I feel? It's the same person.
Auntie, stop argue with Tuffy dunce. Argue with somebody who have sense no. Argue with me no. Tuffy dunce. I one of the duncest person I sit online. Tuffy look like if you get a book that for reach down the way up on the front part of the book. Empty barrel always make the most noise. Leave the angry. Tuffy and Derek a family.
Mama, who did I feel while we too? If you know
Oh yeah, me not feel
get
away.
up
Me
and
not lie. Me not feel away because she couldn't know about my family. She couldn't do that. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Everybody know. Me not ask you. But guess what? You know I'm no more I get.
Well, we don't know what I side. That Somalians just pick up the rap. Pick up the top.
That's what I'm not trying to say to you. Say not argue with Tuffy because there's will become a time where she gonna need again.
Mama, imagine that the girl, and the same girl run up and down and do everything. It's not the first time the
But you don't
principal
know
has
that.
seen her. The principal has seen her
And
before. And she go over to go talk to the principal. And she go over to go get how much at lunch, how much for the lunch at daytime. And she go over there, go get the something them, everything for the school. That school went over there and do
people
all
don't
that.
understand. Okay, let me tell you something with Tuffy. Tuffy is married to a man. The man say no Tuffy should beg. Tuffy jump at Tuffy coming like Derek. Tuffy is like Derek. When she don't get what she wants, she diss you up. And when she get what she wants, she diss you up. But tell you all me know about Tuffy. I hospital me there with Tuffy and Tuffy I call down my phone. When I find out the answer, she a breed. She want money for back. Me girl and me breed ya. The last time me breed, the man take care of me.
Nicola
That's
Russell.
why Tuffy off on my phone. So aunties, when people ungrateful that my teacher something, you leave them alone. It a go sucks for your picnic, but if you ever give the picnic something more, put it through the principal and fuck off with
But I
Tuffy.
guess I got you, mama.
Then you not argue with she once.
I saw at the book drop off. So what the argument?
Because Tuffy a dance. Tuffy hungry this morning and want some call me for make porridge and she not get the money. And then your cousin come now and buy the book when she expect the liquor book money. And that's
Violet. Okay.
Your cousin should have dropped off a $5,000 with the book. Your cousin rude.
You see me? MB. She wasn't complaining about the help. It's the information that the principal said the girl said. Okay. How you know?
What information that your son needed a book?
Then all right. All right. The principal asked, oh, you know I need a book. Oh, she did it for IG. She did it for IG that asked for the book. Me see it for IG that asked for the book. All right. That right there, so. That right there, so. Versus the book is there. Versus lunch is paid for the month.
Lucky. She fucking lucky she get book, lunch, and every fucking thing else. You know what? Pick me a Jamaican and I get none of the above. I still have blood clot. I got school. She fucking lucky. I should have me that go back from a book on my lunch money. Yeah? When the things that she can bad, my wife me say worse bad. Fucking better out of that.
Where I would say, oh, you know her. She know her about IG, she don't know her for true.
But if you don't have IG and beg, the answer is common sense. Anybody could have dropped off the fucking book. Anybody could have hear her and hear up her IG and beg because that's what she do and feel sorry for the little boy and drop off the book. Anybody. So I don't understand why she kill up herself for hungry like myself here, yeah? Help! More help! Because she can beg help, me can beg help too. Stop being Tuffy, man. Until they make Tuffy dry you out. Your cousin do a very good job, stop make Tuffy dry you out.
Contour closet. Which kid been taken away? We don't know nothing about our kids them like that, man.
She just want people to ask for help and then pour out them help because them thinks that the little boy need the help. But the mother take it to a different level. So at the same time, give it to those who need it. You only sister only try with a lot of people and them know what. Give it to single mother who need it. Like